What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Chemical Guys. A lot of us have to deal with the staining and oxidation that happens to our exposed metal surfaces, such as our bumpers or exhaust tips, or in the case of our beast of a box truck, it's got years of oxidation that have been staining out this beautiful stainless finish. So we've already started on a small section here. We thought it'd be a great time to show you guys the powerful effects of heavy metal polish. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start by cleaning off this side using one of our quick detail sprays just to knock down the loose dirt that was on the surface. And then we're gonna be using our heavy metal polish to knock down the years of oxidation and corrosion. So to begin, we're going to be using some hybrid V7 spray sealant, which is also a detailer. You simply spray this directly on the surface that you're working on. And this picks up the light dust and debris or anything else that lands on the surface of your vehicle. And right there you can see the dirt that it's pulling off. This is the clean side now, the dirty side, and the polished side. But just from wiping it, it feels really rough. And that's because of all of the fallout that's on the surface. And that stains it. It gives that awful look. So this is also a great idea for those of you guys that have Airstream trailers that are, constantly exposed to the elements. They start to deteriorate or corrode. This is a great product that helps revive that brilliant finish. Now that that's clean, we're going to move on to the polishing step. And to assist us with that process, we'll be using our Torque 15 DA, which is a dual action polisher with an orange Hexlogic pad. You could also do this process by hand, but to save yourself a lot of effort, a lot of fatigue, we're also going to be using it with the machine. And this is our heavy metal polish, which knocks down corrosion, oxidation, and also that light stain that happens to your metal surfaces using a light abrasive. We'll start by shaking up the product. And we'll apply some to our pad here. And just like when you're polishing paint, you want to do about 5 dime-sized dots, maybe 6, depending on the surface that you're working on, or the size of the surface. And as you guys may see, we're outside of the detail garage today. We're actually in our back bay. We're getting ready to get this bad boy back on the road, so we're going to brighten it up so that the whole vehicle looks like this whole section. And now we're using the heavy metal polish. We'll just dab it out here. And on the lowest speed setting, we're going to spread it out, and on the highest speed setting, that's what we're actually going to use to break down the polish and revive that brilliant finish. Now, as you polish, you're going to notice something that it's also removing the oxidation, obviously, but your pad is going to turn really dirty, and that's the reaction between the fallout and contamination that's on the surface and the polish doing its job. It's cleaning it away, and unfortunately, it's going to stain the pad permanently. So it's best to use an older pad, or just know that you're going to have to probably throw this one away at the end of the job. But for now, we're going to just show you the process of removing the oxidation, any kind of staining on the stainless steel hood here. And now that we've done this small section, we're going to wipe away the spent product, obviously. We'll just reach for the V07 again. And like I'm saying, you can use this on your stainless steel, chrome, OEM polished surfaces, billet, titanium, and also gold. So if you have things that are losing their luster or they're starting to oxidize, this is a great product to refine that finish and bring out that luster. This also helps to minimize the appearance of some of the lighter scratches that you would get on, say, your bumpers after washing and drying. But it's important that after you polish it that you put some kind of protective coating on there, whether it's a product like Hydro Stick, where it's going to give it hydrophobic properties, or you can do a combination of Jet Seal and butter wet wax to help bring out that shine, but also give it some more protection. So we have a lot of work ahead of us on this, but now we're going to jump on another project showing you guys the light metal polish and all the many uses that you can use it on your own vehicle. Nice. So now you guys have seen what heavy metal polish can do and what it's used for, but for the less aggressive jobs or things like your exhaust tips where they get built up with carbon, this is going to be the time where we're going to use light metal polish. But before we do that, we're going to use some EcoSmart, which we've diluted in this Mr. Sprayer, and we'll get off all the dirt and anything that's on the surface. This is also great for cleaning up water spots because it has been raining lately. wipe off in linear motions. And now using light metal polish, we're just going to gently scrub away any of the buildup or any light staining. And again, you can use this on your chrome surfaces, stainless, polished, even diamond plate and things like that to remove any kind of oxidation or any light staining. And you can do this with a machine or by hand, obviously. Just pour a little bit of the applicator there. And you don't need to scrub very hard, you just want to let the polish do its job, and it cleans away caked on staining of carbon. It reveals that brilliant finish. This also works well for polished wheels that have brake dust accumulated. Just restores that high shine. We'll take a clean towel and wipe off the excess. And we've designated gray for working on metal surfaces such as your exhaust or your wheels, so just to keep your towels in order. And there you have it. You can see the contrast between the before, where it's got a buildup of carbon on there and dirt, and then this beautiful, brilliant, nice and clean and bright finish that you got with your light metal polish. And this is just an easy way to make your car look its best, and also adds a little bit of protection, so it's going to make it harder for any kind of grime or water spots or, again, exhaust to stick to the surface. So you guys can check out these products on our website, chemicalguys.com. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and drop your comments down below for future videos. We'll see you guys next time.